o te pārua nei. E nui ake I taku ringa.
Wow. Day 3 of Have Pew Will Travel. Kei te wahi atu mātou I Shanghai ki Beijing. Anei, te taunga wakarererangi ki Shanghai.
Te waiwai tēnei o te raki. Tino raki a hau.
Yeah, it's alright.
Just looking at someone with just some normal airport attire.
Anei mātou e whakahara tau ana ki runga I te pahi because after heaps years of practices while at home, kei te hihia ki te panoni I te hōtaka I a mātou I haina, but that's on being adaptable. That was He Whare Pakiaka and here's our bougie changing rooms. Here's our matariki performance. I tino motuhake tēnei tū. We made our way out to Network. And te kai moana, we couldn't eat any of it. It was awful show, of course. But by this point, we're absolutely knackered. Driving, practicing, waiting, performing, waiting. He oi anō ko ngā hua, he huhua. What a busy but great day. We just finished our dinner. Kua pau te kaha, but still slay. Have Pew Pew will travel.